What up guys, so by the end of this video, this EVO 10 should be 100% completed, 100% finished on the ground and driving. The oil cooler, the one thing that is holding us back from driving this car, is supposed to come in today through FedEx. They usually deliver pretty early in the morning. It's like 8 o'clock right now. Before they show up though, I want to get a few little things buttoned up. First things first, we need to pull these fenders off. There's a bunch of plastic dip. I've been saying this every video for like the past few videos, probably 4 or 5 videos. We need to get these fenders off, get all that plastic dip removed. And then I'll probably get the wheels on the car, get it on the ground, wait for the oil cooler to come in. We got all of the plastic cleaned up. Now we just need to slap on the wheels, fender vents, mirrors, inner fenders, and then wait for the oil cooler to come in. We can get that on, get the bumper on, and this thing will pretty much be done. So after waiting for like 2 weeks for an oil cooler to come in, we finally got one. So let's go ahead and fire up the car, make sure we don't have any leaks coming from the oil cooler. We still need to drain the water and throw actual antifreeze in the motor as well. Alright guys, pretty much all that is left to do is throw on the front bumper. We are getting a little weird idle issue, and I'm not sure exactly what is causing that. I'm gonna go drive it and see if it just goes away on its own. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But yeah, let's throw on the front bumper, and then I'm gonna be trying to drive by myself. I'm sick of having Bobby drive me everywhere, so I'm gonna just try to drive this car by myself today and see how that goes. After the first mile, the idle is completely fine. It was kind of hunting before, but now it's completely fine. We still have a bunch of lights on the dash. We have TPMS, which is, of course, on the right sensors in here. Airbag, no, sweet, refuel. ABS, ASC, and we had like the all drive system light as well. So there's so many lights on this dash we need to figure out. I don't know if maybe there's like one relay or one fuse that is bad that is turning all of them, or if I actually have a problem with every single system on this car, which would be kind of crazy. But I'm gonna go grab gas right now, and then I am really struggling trying to drive this car. It's super hard. I wish I had my GoPro on me because I would show you guys like how I'm trying to drive. Airbag light too. Airbag too. Wow. We have a lot of lights on this car, but it's running good, driving good. Just a lot of lights to figure out and a little issues here and there, and we should be situated. Well guys, I stopped to get gas and I shut it off. I noticed a little bit of oil smell, and I looked under the car and it looks like there's either oil coming from my transfer or tranny, and it's only when the car is driving. I let it sit in the shop for probably 2 weeks and it never leaked any oil. It makes me think it's the seal on the transfer case where it goes onto the transmission. I had that same issue with my Evo 8, and I think it was leaking right there, only when I would drive the car. So thankfully I'm still close to home. I'm gonna limp the car back home. Hopefully we don't blow up a tranny or transfer. Yeah, this sucks, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to push this car off for a while. I'm not really in position to be pulling any parts right now because my leg is not healed yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. Maybe tomorrow I'll look into it, see what's going on. But for today, I've had enough of this car. So peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you tomorrow.